Okay, today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have eggnog pancakes for your holiday breakfasts. 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of eggnog, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 egg. Now, I kept having to add eggnog because the batter was just way too thick. So that 1 cup turned closer to probably 1.5 to maybe 2. You just keep adding eggnog until you get the consistency that you like. But I will say this batter will be thick and the pancakes will be kind of oddly shaped. Okay, as you can see, we got a griddle heating up over medium heat. Gonna get some butter and butter this motherfucker up. Okay, and time to get the batter on the griddle. And like I said, this batter is really thick. It's probably the thickest pancake batter I've ever worked with. Like I said, I didn't even need a goddamn ladle. That, like I said, that's pretty thick. So, basically you're gonna have to fight with it a little bit. And like I said, the pancakes will be kind of oddly shaped. But, are they delicious? Yes, they are. And I would also like to point out that these things will puff up and puff out a lot. So we are getting ready for the first flip. And flipping the pancakes. These ones you might have to flip a couple of times. And I decided just to make the pancakes a little thinner by pressing down on them. All right, couple more minutes and we'll be ready for the final product. The second batch I tried with a spoon, and it got to be a little closer to pancakes, but like I said, the batter is really thick. These ones I kind of had to cut apart when they, I tried everything, so yeah, it's just really thick batter. Just these ones I had to cut apart after I flipped them. But again, these pancakes still turned out delicious. And as you can see, just plate them up, serve with some real maple syrup. A perfect dish for Christmas morning. So that's eggnog pancakes. Done.